Year 5 and 6, welcome to Lesson 2 in Science. I hope you found yesterday's lessons really interesting, matching the object to the symbol and its definition. Today you're going to be applying that into circuits. So our big question today is, can I investigate the effect of changing the number and voltage of cells in an electrical circuit? So just to start with, what is an electrical cell? An electrical cell produces the electricity within a circuit, and you can read through the information which can be found on the blog if you want to find out a little bit more. What is a voltage? A voltage is a measure of how powerful the cell is. So just like in batteries, we can go to the shops and you'll see loads of different types of batteries. That's what your voltage is, how powerful that battery is. So our scientific question that we're investigating today, what is the effect of changing the number and voltage of cells in an electrical circuit?
Okay, so your task today, you're going to be looking at 4 different circuits and making predictions as to what you think is going to happen in those circuits. Me and Miss Gallagher will then be showing you what actually happens with the physical resources in the classroom. Also, if you have a look at the 4 different circuits that you're going to be making predictions on today, you will see on circuit A that they've actually drawn their circuit diagram. This is what we would like you to do for circuit B, C and D. This is where you're going to be practicing applying those symbols that you looked at in yesterday's lesson. Within your predictions, we would also like you to be including some key vocabulary, and we've listed that here. So we would like to see the words bulb, circuit, voltage, cell, and because to help you explain your scientific thinking.
Okay, so this is circuit A. Have a look at your prediction and have a think about what you thought was going to happen. I'm now going to join the wire to the battery. I want you to observe what happened and I want you to write down what happened and why you think this happened. Are we ready?
We are now looking at circuit B. You might have noticed from the circuit diagrams that you made your predictions based on that circuit B and C looked very similar. However, for circuit B, both of the positives are to the right of the circuit. Again, I would like you to observe what happens when I connect the wire to the second battery cell and make a note of what you have observed.
Okay, so circuit C. Again, have a look at your prediction. Think about what you think might happen. This time, we've got our positive facing our positive. What difference do you think it will make? Ready to have a look? Okay, here we go.
This is circuit D. You'll notice that we've now got 3 battery cells instead of 2. Again, I'd like you to observe what happens, make a note of it and link back to your prediction.
And finally, what we'd like you to do now is place the circuits in order of how bright the bulbs were. Then, which circuit had the brightest bulb and why do you think that was? Which circuit had the dimmest bulb and why? And which circuit failed and why do you think that was? I'm going to give you a little bit of reflection time now to think about those questions, note down your answers. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Well done for working hard. Remember how amazing you are and we'll see you soon.